I am ready to prepare my shake and my smoothie. And I have all the things here, my ingredients, everything. My fruits, little bit of vegetable, aloe vera. It's very good for you. And also something else. Oh, basil. Well, here I have my smoothie, and here are some of the ingredients that I told you before. And also I did add a little walnuts in the end, okay, just a couple when it was. But anyway, I'm trying to do this video with myself with my one hand, and it is hard. I saw some people that they do it, but it's really hard. But I'm trying. This is my first one. Okay, no, so now I'm going to try it. It's very thicker because it's your lunch, okay? And I have for my husband a little bit. See? I gave him some too. I gave him lunch, and that is very nice. He worked very hard. So here I'm going to try it. Oh, the mint and the basil. Oh, give you a wonderful flavor. I love it. Take care, okay? I hope you can do it. Do it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will give you more tips and beautiful things. Take care. God bless you. Don't forget, you are not alone. If you have any problem, just let God know everything about you. He will help you. Take care, okay? Bye.